here it is. Hello world. Okay, for real. Hello everyone, this is my first tutorial I'm going to give you, and we're gonna make a basic lamp. And yeah, there are multiple ways in which we can achieve this. The first way is to go to the prefabs folder. If you don't have a folder over here in this Unity area, then create a new folder, call it prefabs. And if you've done that, you just open it. You see that there's a lamp, and then boom, up. You're done. You got a nice lamp now. Okay, sorry, yeah, that wasn't for real. But yeah, okay, let's continue. So with a lamp, the first thing you have to think about when making something in 3D is shapes. Of which shapes consists a lamp? And then, yeah, the first shape that comes into my mind is a cylinder. So let's start with that. Let's start with the cylinder. So yeah, I already went ahead and created one. And yeah, so you just basically have the cylinder, and then you just, that's a weird name I had to write there. Gonna make it inactive. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah. So that's how you have the lamp. Okay. Enough with the jokes. Now, for real, a lamp with ProBuilder. Well, first of all, make sure you have it installed. You can look it up via here, Window, Package Manager, and then yeah, it's refreshing the packages I have right now. But yeah, you look over here in the Unity registry, and then normally the P from ProBuilder, yes, there we have it. I already have it installed, but if you haven't, here a button will appear, install. Just install it, and then yeah, you will be able to click here in tools, and then boom, you will have ProBuilder installed. Then you click on the ProBuilder window, and then a pop-up will appear, which is basically this. So this one, yeah, you can just move it around wherever you want. I like it down here. So as for the lamp, as I already mentioned, a lamp consists of several different shapes. Or different, yeah, it's, yeah, basically you can make it up from just cylinders. And if you want to go ahead and do that, you just go to new shape, add one. Here we have a cone, not really useful. Just go to the shape selector, where you can select the cylinder, and boom, there you have it. Okay, let's bring it a bit closer. I will make it a bit smaller in height, so just drag it. Yeah, looks fine enough, I guess. Height segments, no, thank you. And then, whenever you're done, just build it. Because if you don't, yeah, if you just click the window right before you build, then it will disappear, which is not fun. So yeah, here we have it. Okay, so the first thing I want to make is the lamp cap. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll make it a bit smaller by pressing R and then whoop. Yeah, just like that. Then you go over to here, you select all the edges. Okay, that was painful. If you're not using 3D software, then this doesn't look painful, but yeah, otherwise it really is. But okay, ProBuilder, it's still cool. Okay, let's then go to objects again to make the whole object a bit smaller, and then we start to have this shape. Yeah. I mean, I mean, it looks a bit like a lamp cap. I mean, it's just a bit different than on the thumbnail, but other than that, let's just continue with the flow, I guess. So, new shape, new cylinder, and we'll have it a bit under there. Radius a bit smaller, please. The height also a bit smaller. Yes, let's build it. Remove this one, and then let's have a look. Yeah, let's select the top edges again and scale them a bit down. Let's see if you double click. So yeah, again, really painful if you want to select them all at once. You basically want to make them smaller again over here. Okay. Yes. Now it looks a bit dull still, so let's add an edge loop. So you basically select all these edges, and then you just insert an edge loop, and boom. You can make it a bit bigger. Let's select the object again. Yeah, let's make it a bit maybe longer. Let's see. I mean, it looks a bit different, but okay. Different is okay, I guess. Now, let's give it some color as well, like pink. Yeah, you can basically create material to make a material, then something like this will appear. You just give it a name that you want. And then to change the color itself, you go to the albedo, you click on it, you basically go around over here, and then you can change the color. And then whenever you're done, just exit like that. Okay. Personally, I like to add dark pink and then light pink. And then as for the, of course, I have to show that as well. So, yeah, basically we want to create a hole here on top. How do we do that? We basically select the objects, go to face mode, over here the face selection. We again select all the faces. Then to the ProBuilder menu, we delete the faces. Yeah, and then you can see really weird stuff whenever you look inside. Yep, indeed. But first, let's just also delete the bottom side. Delete the faces again, boom. And then to still create the effect that it's a realistic lamp, we just want to Go to object mode again, duplicate it by Ctrl D. Then let's make it a bit smaller. And then you click over here, so flip the normals, and then boom. Basically, so let's turn it off again. So basically, when we have just this object, you can see that the faces, the color, are facing outwards, and then on the inwards we have like transparent faces, it seems. So if you want to work that away, we basically create a clone, a duplicate, and we do the inverse. And we just did that by selecting flip normals. And that's how we can have this illusion of a lamp cap. Yeah, from the top it still doesn't look that perfect. Let's see if we can change it a bit. Game dev, it's all fake it till you make it in the end. Also, if you want to create more variation in the shape, you can always go to edge modes, select these edges, and just insert another edge loop. Then press R to give it some volume again. You can do something like this. Really interesting, but yeah, why not? Let's make it a bit of a special lamp. Move the edges itself a bit up so that we have an more interesting shape. Oh, that wasn't. I didn't mean to do that. Here we can insert another one and do something like, oh yeah, that looks a bit better already. Okay, that definitely looks more interesting. Okay, to finish it off, let's have a switch. So we basically go back to ProBuilder. Let's think about the height again. Oh. The height and the radius of the, let's move it a bit as well. The shape itself, let's move it, or wait, let's build it then. I think it's great. Oh wait, I'm still in edge selection, of course. And now, okay, that's a bit weird that the gizmos doesn't move with it, but okay. We can give it another color, like let's give it a white color, or I don't know, do something special. Let's go red. Then basically to create a handle, then we basically duplicate it. So Ctrl D. We go in the, let's have a think, in the Z, and then let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, that looks a bit weird. Let's move it a bit like this, and the other parts like that. barely touching each other, but okay. Et voila, we have a switch. So this is how I created the lamp. I did it a bit differently in the sense that I moved the edges a bit differently, but in the end, you still got a lamp. By the way, I did this whole tutorial only using one hand. It was a pain, but yeah, it's my payback to you for creating those first 2 jokes. And yeah, then after those 2 jokes, I offered a more serious tutorial, which is still a joke in my opinion, but I can live with it. Okay, thank you for watching. Like this video because it's really great, and yeah, subscribe. Really makes my day. As long as I don't check too much those metrics. But okay. Other than that, let's call it a day. Good evening or good whatever, and see you next time.